Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to get that Instagram look, blonde bombshell, that baddie look. You ready for your Instagram pics? All in the convenience of your own home. Super easy. Stay tuned.
Run me that money, cause I be the baddie beat. Barbie tank, banging body beat. Everybody beat on my D. Yo, I gotta be.
What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? All right. So we starting from the beginning. Wet his hair from Aliexpress. This is their 613. 3 bundles and a frontal. I will leave all the hair information in the description box, y'all. Don't ask me what the links are. Don't ask me what the texture is. It is in the description box. Okay? Moving along to this hair color. I really wanted a nice beige blonde that really works good for us African Americans, for us chocolate babes, for us black girls. So I'm using the Wella T35 and I'm using 2 containers. Now when you use this is a toner. We're just going to tone down that yellowish color that's on these hair bundles. Oh my god, it was just like Barbie doll from one of my kids' Barbie dolls. The color is horrible. But anyway, with this toner, I'm using 2 containers, and you want to make sure that you mix it properly. I'm using 20 volume for the toner, and the toner is 1 to 2. So every bottle of toner you use, you have to do 2 bottles of developer. Okay, so 1 to 2 is a ratio with that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then have your stylist do the color for you. Now this is definitely enough of color for just the bundles. Now if you're going to do your frontal, I suggest getting another container so that you can do your frontal as well. I'm coloring all 3 bundles, and I did go ahead and color my frontal off camera. I'm using a mesh dome cap to make my wig. The first thing I'm going to do is thread my needles with a blonde thread. And then I'm going to go in and continue to sew down the frontal first to the mesh cap. Give me a thumbs up for those moms out there whose sons are mama's boys. My son is a big old mama's boy, y'all. Like, look at him. I couldn't even really work for real because he wanted to be held at this point. But I love my baby. Don't you just love your son? Yeah. Okay, moving on. Sewing down the frontal first. After I sew that down, I like to go ahead and try it on and see how it fits first. You guys, look how yellow the lace is on this. We're going to get into that later. Like, you can't even see through like the scalp or nothing because it is just so yellow. I'm going to link below the color that I used to do the roots on here because I know you guys are going to be wondering. I did not get a chance to record that because I don't even know where that footage is at, to be honest. I'll leave that in the description box so that you guys can check it out. Now, this is not going to be a descriptive wig video because there's millions of wig videos. I have some up. I do not sew on that band because it will make your cap shrink. Now, I have videos showing me sewing on the band, and it's 2019. I don't sew on the band, okay? We all evolve over time. Now, I like to double weft and I fold over. I did not cut any wefts for this wig at all. I end up using like pins, as you can see right there, just to kind of pin the hair in place so that when I'm sewing, the hair don't move. I don't have to hold it. I can just sew and just go right with the flow. Now I've got into the top where I'm going to switch the position on how I'm going to sew my hair down. I'm going to go, instead of going ear to ear, like side to side, I'm going to go horizontally like that, as you can see, all the way until I get to the top. Fast forward like 6-7 months later, when I finally got some time to get to this wig, baby, I'm using my favorite wax stick. I'm going to list it below so that you guys can check it out. You guys, look how sleek and that just looks so polished. Like, I love a wax stick. If you don't have a wax stick, get one. Get some wax, because wax is good, baby. Wax is good for that wig and for laying stuff down flat and just sleek, baby. Listen. So I'm just pretty much pressing that out to make sure that everything's laying really flat. I did flat iron the hair off camera too. I wanted a nice, just clean, sleek look, as you can see. Because this is a blind unit, it's really good to try and do like the ball cap because you don't want any of your dark hair to peep through. So I did that, and you see how the lace color is not blending. I did put makeup on underneath the lace, but it's not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the wig down flat, and I thought that maybe that would help using the Got to Be glue gel. I did that. Look at that. Total line of demarcation. You can see it's not blended in with my skin whatsoever. So, if you guys are experiencing this, I suggest use some of your makeup. Take some of your foundation that you have that's going to blend in with your skin and just go over it, because that's the only thing that worked if you don't want to tint your lace. For me, I did not tint my lace because I didn't want it to change the color of my wig. I didn't want to make no mistakes. So I just went in with makeup and it blends in really, really good.
You know I gotta check your fine ass out. For the paparazzi your ass, I'm gonna knock on the window and take a picture.
Anybody else feel like weird when your boyfriend walks in on you when you recorded videos? It's like, babe, get out. Thumbs up if your man love you in blonde hair, because mine do. All of my chocolate babes out there, black girls, try this color. I'm telling you, it's going to blend in with your skin. Add your little highlighter to the cheeks. Put you some lip gloss on. Throw some lashes. Bish. I'm going to link below all of the details on this hair. The only thing that I didn't really care about was the frontal, of course, because the frontal was not transparent. So make sure you guys do your research on this hair, because like I said, the frontal was very weird, yellowy colored. But again, you guys, I got this hair in 2018, so hopefully Wet Kiss has upgraded their products. But if not, you make sure you check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, because the bitch is coming back 2019 takeover. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment below and tell me guys what you think. See you in the next one. Bye.